Welcome to Phrase It Friday. I'm Alex, the founder and developer of Phrase It, the English language card game and dice game that helps you accelerate your English language learning through fun and innovation. And today I'm going to use my dice game to show you our 2 phrasal verbs for Phrase It Friday. This week we're going to learn check off, and pull up. Sometimes in English we might say pull out, but usually we say pull up, and we can say pull out, but we'll focus on the two, check off and pull up. So in English, when I say I need to pull up something, I might use my computer and I will say I need to pull up my to-do list, or I need to pull up my Microsoft Word document, or I need to pull up my email. So it means to move something, like you're pulling it up, but you're not actually, like I'm not grabbing Microsoft Word and pulling it up, but I am using my computer and it comes up to where I can see it. From to appear, it can mean to come from lower to higher, like I pull my friend up out of the mud, or to appear. So when I say it with a computer, it means pull up means like to appear. Or with a vehicle, a car, I can say, oh, my friend just pulled up in his car. It means they arrived or appeared in their vehicle. Or to pull up alongside someone, you can say pull up. Excuse me. But I might say when I'm looking at my cell phone, I might say, oh, I need to pull up my calendar and look at the dates on my calendar to see what I need to do today. So I might pull up something in that way. Pull up can also mean an exercise where I grab a bar and I do a pull up like this. And that's a pull up. It's actually a noun, it's not a verb. That one is just called a pull up. So we might say, how many pull-ups did you do? And you can say, I did 2 pull-ups. So often though it's used as a verb. And we might say it another way. Pulling up can be, and you can use ing, you can use past tense. Oh, sorry about my throat today. But pulled up. You could say, oh, the police officer pulled up next to me and saw that I had I was texting. So he looked at me and said, do not text. So he pulled up beside me. So you might have that happen to you. I don't really text and drive. I'm just using that as an example. But don't text and drive too. Otherwise, if a police officer pulls up, they will probably correct you. So that's pull up. Now, when I'm looking at something I need to check off, our next phrasal verb, check off, when I check off something, that means I complete it. So when I pull up my calendar, maybe I pull out. I could even say pull out my notebook. Maybe I take it out, I pull out my notebook, and then I pull up my calendar to look at. I see many things that I have to do. And so on this list, maybe it's pick up the children, go get groceries, send a letter in the mail, email your friend, call grandma back. I need to make a list and then I check off each item. So when I say check off in English, that means to cross out or check off, make a check mark. Like we make this little check mark symbol to check off. I guess you're looking at me this way, so it would go that way. Check off on your list a little check mark. And sometimes people draw a line through it. So check off the items on your list. So I pull up my calendar or my Google document or my Microsoft Word document, and I check off the items that I need to complete. So these 2 phrasal verbs go together. And so as a review, let's say them one more time. Listen and repeat. Pull up, check off. Okay, those are your 2 phrasal verbs for Phrase It Friday. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Let other people know about it. You can also click the link below this video to get my Phrase It dice and my Phrase It card and book to explain different ways to use the Phrase It cards and the Phrase It dice, as well as a new activity I just created that I uploaded on my website. You can also get that if you click a link below. Also, this December, I'll be launching a brand new online course. It's going to be an 8-week course that will help you improve and accelerate your English language learning. So subscribe to this video, share with your friends. Let me know if you have any questions. Be on the lookout for this online course that might help you improve your English. I'm Alex Bricker again with Phrase It Friday, and I'll see you on the next Friday.